Hello, my name is Alex. I'm a French importer for Davinci and I will show you what we have here at COUPE ICARE. This is a children harness where we have multiple attachment points and it's for the small kids. I'm going to show you now the tandem pilot harness with the moose back. It comes in two sizes, big plateau, and this one it's like before getting inside you need to put your leg, so you will not forget, if in case you forget this, there's no problem, it's still hanging on. If you get a good idea and if you really don't want it, you can put it out, okay? I'm gonna show you now, this is our passenger harness, okay, one size, big plateau, it goes from big to small. We have on the airbag, we have you can take this out in case, for example, you land it and it's like already bad because you land a lot on this. You can change it, so you have another new. So we keep the airbag clean. Here we have the sole. It's our school harness. It's a beginner harness, basic harness, just simple with a container on the side, moose bag underneath, three sizes. Here we have our reversible harness, same three sizes, airbag underneath, rescue container on one side, and behind you can change your backpack. You have multiple sizes, like for example 80 liter, 120 liter or 160 liter, depending on what you're using as a glider. This year we have the SBS system, okay? This is new technology used by Davinci for the school Rhythm 2 glider. So for example, if we have a collapse on one side, you see the sides lines are connected. So if I have a collapse on this side, the body weight will be transferred on the other side. So it's security, and also in case, for example, of when you're doing your turn, the glider will not be like this, will be more like basic shape and will stay together, more performance. I'm gonna show you now our new harness.
Explain something.
This is our harness prototype, okay? This is our prototype, which we use it a cool harness for competition, two-side rescue system. This is still prototype, but it will be ready for next year, competition, and maybe also light harness. And our technology that we use in all our gliders now, the Smart Nose Plus. So inside we have a tissue that will, when the air goes inside, actually the air will not counter when it wants to go outside. Because of this tissue, it will stay inside and go back inside. You can watch our videos. It's really good done to have a visualization of this. It's more stable, more performance. So come at COUPE ICARE and see our all new stuff. Thanks, guys.